PlayStation 5 has been hard to find since its release towards the end of 2020. The health crisis led to component shortages in the electronics industry that meant the console undersold the previous PS4 in its second year. But finally, gamers who have struggled to find a PS5 could find it easier to get their hands on one in the near future. PlayStation maker Sony said Thursday it planned to ramp up production of the console as supply chain problems ease. Sony Interactive Entertainment CEO Jim Ryan said he expected production to reach levels the company had never achieved before. Ryan said things were definitely improving, despite lockdowns in China that have led to continued uncertainty over supply chains. Sony has forecast PS5 sales of 18 million units in the business year to end March, up from 11.5 million a year before. The PlayStation firm also hinted at a change in direction. It wants to move away from just concentrating on single-player games exclusive to its platform, towards PC and mobile titles, which are expected to make up almost half of new games in 2025.